Atin yan. Tatlo bola natin, tatlo.
Let's get it on. This is our main game of the evening between Team Crusaders and Team Quattro Ballers.
Di ka nag-yosi, di ba? Huwag ka muna mag-yosi. Dahil nakakasama yan sa kalusugan mo, bata ka pa. Para lalong kumanda yung resistensya mo. Tuck in, jersey!
Let's get it on. Number 13. Rebound. Altamarino crossing the midcourt. Over the line. Salari. Number 17, number 7, number 5, Nagawa, lead pass, Volante, over to Bala, easy 2, no! Second serving, but there is a foul.
It's foul, rep. 7.
Number 7, Jers, only his first personal foul, likewise the first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 30, Bala. No good on the first, second. 1 out of 2. Here's Jerry. Altamarino 2 points. Number 7, Jerry. Number 33. Pagkita, no. Rivas, Volante, no. Ako ni Jerry sa lima. Jerry, side step, Billy, no. Rebound Ian. Ogmerga, Altamarino. Behind by Jerry. Gives it to number 30, Bala. Decides to shoot, no. Drives. There is a blocking foul. Foul on number 5, only his first personal foul, second team foul. 14th shoot. Altamarino fires. No. Rebound. Ian. There's a foul. Number 25, that is his first personal foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws for number 29, Ian.
Sino player ito dati?
Pumasok, sabay.
Sila Panza. Jeff Pandiga.
Go on the second. 4-3, 1 out of 2. 4-0. Jerry. Number 25, short stack. Yes, sir. 4-2. Bala. Volante fires. Short. Rebound number 25. Ilagan face. Ilagan shoots. Ilagan scores. 4 all out of 50 tally, 38. Altamarino, Bala swings. But there is a foul caught
11.
on number 11. Alicante, only his first personal foul, warning for penalty. Third team foul, I should say. Well, the first is Bala.
Yung pula, saka kayo.
Sabi na lang pula. Hindi, nakalab na lang pula.
Mamaya, tignan ko.
Second row, 2 out of 2 on that trip on the line for Bala, making our tally 6-4.
Yung green, di pa nakakalaban yung green.
Di pa nakakalaban yan?
shoots. Alicante scores. 6 apiece. Altamarino. Good defense. Number 30, Malang. Malang drives. Malang scores. 8-6. Under 7 minutes remaining in the first. Jers. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Alicante. Last 10 seconds. Ilaga. Number 33. 3 seconds. Number 25. Alo. Alo. What a shot. 8-6. Our official score. Okay. 6 minutes and 24. Number 30. Malang. Malang fires. Malang scores. 10-8.
Patakinin mo yung galang kay Balang.
Jers. Alon. Alon shoots. Go. Rebound ng Tamarino. Pwede Volante. Volante. Shoots. Go. Rebound Alon. Jers. Alon. Number 25. Alon decides to shoot. Go. Rebound Balang. Balang. Coast to coast. Basket is good. Plus a foul. On number 25.
Second.
Alon, that is his second personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus shot for Balang. Good on the bonus free throw. 13-8 official tally with 5 minutes and a half. Jers. 15 to shoot. Alon, Alon. 10 to shoot. Alicante. Short.
Sub. Palit player.
Change players. Change file.
Tap in.
Tuck in jerseys. Tuck in jerseys. Our official tally is 13-8. In favor of Quattro Ballers. Defense, Nakagawa. Number 18, no. Moscoso, Escobar. Wala. No. Thomas, look up, 2 points. Number 23, Garcia. Garcia, fire. Short, rebound. Bala. Goes all the way.
Sayang.
Turnover.
Hindi pa tinira.
Garcia. Alicante. Nakagawa, Escobar. Escobar. Aligi, Moscoso, block. Moscoso gets his own miss. Sa labas, Estrella. Bala. Drives baseline, Bala shoots. But there's a foul. On number 18, substitution. Number 18, only his first personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 free throws for Bala. Cannot convert on the first. Second throw for Balang is good. Coming up 10, 1 out of 2. Official tally is 16-8. Under 4 minutes remaining in the first. Garcia. But there is a foul.
Also, first.
Foul on number 4 was also only his first personal foul, second team foul. 16 seconds on the shot clock. Number 1, runner. No. Rebound Bala. Over 2, Estrella. Estrella goes coast to coast. Wild shot. Rebound Moscoso. 13 on the shot clock. Bala. But there is a foul on number 23 Garcia. Only his first personal foul penalty.
Hindi nakapasok yung ganito.
Hindi nakapasok yung isa.
2 free throws for Galang. First one is open. Second throw is good, 1 on 2. 17 to 8, still in favor of Porto Ballers. Here's Garcia. Over to Garcia. Garcia. Sa gitna, nakakawan ni Estrella. 3, 2 on 2. Estrella lays out. No. But there is a loose ball foul on number 4, Moscoso. Moscoso, that is his second personal foul. 13 foul. Garcia, La Garcia. Garcia. Go. Rebound is Escobar. Balang gets the ball. Balang on the way. Balang scores. What's a foul? Foul on number 23, Garcia.
Second.
Only Garcia, that is his second personal foul. Penalty. Bonus free throw awarded to Balang. Good, completes the three-point play, making the score 20 to 8. A dozen point deficit for Team Panthers. La Garcia.
Maubusan ka ng
Thomas. Estrella. Estrella. Thomas second serve. 2 points. 22 to 8.
Balang rin. Ay, hindi nalabas. 5 in 5 out.
Kulang sila ng player.
Ayun, no problem.
Naglaro na yan per person na first 5. Yung malaki
Same
nila.
ball, last touch on Green with 12 seconds on the shot clock.
Ha?
Galing kasi yung
Garcia. Sa gitna. 8 to shoot. Number 1, go. Rebound Moscoso. Moscoso Escobar. Escobar scores. Credit the assist to Moscoso. 2 points for Escobar. The official score is 24-8. Here's Aniceto, or number 18. Aniceto scores. 24 to 10.
Jacob.
Estrella, rebounded by La Garcia. Balang takes. Balang, 13 to shoot. Cross-court to number 27. Estrella, 6 seconds to shoot. Balang takes, Balang tries. Balang in and out.
Foul 13.
There's a loose ball foul on number 13, Escobar. Only his first personal foul. La Garcia sa ilalim. Good pass. Eric assist. La Garcia, 2 points Garcia. Number 23. Official score is 24 to 13. Still in favor of Porto Ballers. Here's Estrella. Estrella over to Thomas. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Thomas fires. Rebound Moscoso. But there's a foul on number 26, Aniceto. Only his first personal foul penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 4, Moscoso. Air ball.
Ang ingay kasi ng kuya eh.
30
Nice.
seconds. 25 to 13. 35 seconds remaining in the first. Over to number 23. No, rebound Mazula. Street. Escobar score. Last 5 seconds.
Hindi na shoot niya. That's big.
Official score is 27-16 in favor of Quattro
Sino
Moros.
nakashoot? 18?
That's big. Yeah, biglang 11 lang.
Pagod na si Lopez eh. Oh. Sige.
Back to the ball game.
Kasi. Sinta to ah. Pag na nga. Pinipindot ka
Start of my second quarter.
Kabila ko yung possession. Ayaw.
Altamarino to start.
Tumagod.
Altamarino fire. Altamarino! 13-16.
Ayaw mo yung foul ah.
Number 13-18. Altamarino over to Omega. Volante, Omega. Escobar, a skip, number 1 returns. 3-on-2, Jers. Raise up for 2. Sampu lang. Volante, Omega, Escobar, scores, what's a foul? Foul on number 11, Alicante.
11. Second.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 13, Escobar. Cannot complete the three-point play. Here's Jers. Kick out, number 33. Go. Rebound. Altamarino crossing the midcourt. On the top of the key, decides to shoot. Go. Rebound. Number 25. Number 25 goes to goes, and here's the foul. Foul on number 3, Altamarino, pushing foul. That is his first personal foul. First team foul. 17 to shoot. Number 5. Basket is good. What's the foul? Foul on number 8, Omega. That is his first personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 5, Ilagan. Cannot complete the three-point play. Same ball, last touch on Green. Number 11, number 25. Alo, 2 points. Alo, Renfanyama. 32-24. Altamarino, hits it to Omega. Volante. Kick out Altamarino. Fires. No. Yeah. No. There's a foul. Foul on number 11.
Third.
That is his third personal foul. Second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 29, Ian. Nothing but net on the first attempt for Ian.
Daming may sagot.
Too much muscle behind. 1-2. Alo. Space. Gets it back to Alo. Alo. Garbanyala. Go. Wala pa rin. But there is a foul call. Foul on number 29, Ian. Ian, only his first personal foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 25, Alon Wembanyama.
Mamaya. Sabo na siya.
Cannot convert on his first attempt.
Injury time out. Injury, substitution.
Second throw is good, 1 out of 2. Injury substitution. Altamarino. Volante. Volante fires. Volante!
Injury kasi. Injury po.
23 to 25. Jerz. Yes, sir! What a shot for Jerz. Alberga. Volante. Bosa. No. Rebound Ian. Put back. No good. Number 18. Jerz. Back pedal. Shoot. Alon. Naadong Volante. Alicante, last 8 seconds. Last 5 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot for Team Crusaders. Good. Volante, all alone. 2 points. 38 to 27, our official tally in favor of Team Buffalo Warriors. Ilaga. Volante being eyed by Jerz. Under 6 minutes, Escobar. Sa labas, Altamarino fires. Violet ball.
Pinadano mo to. Basta to. Pinadano. Kanina pa eh. Pino.
Hindi pa dahil na.
Stop!
Jerz being ready to play. Looking at the shot clock. Ilaga, out of his way. Ilaga, let's go! 38 to 29. Sierra. Escobar face. Escobar dives. Misses.
Dadalay mo to rin.
Sub 5, sub.
Change players. Change 5.
Yadana! Yadana!
Ayaw pa yun.
Medyo mo daan na!
Palit lima.
Change players. Both teams change players.
Tayo tumaan.
Ito talaga nun eh.
Prankster kayo ah.
Naka-visit din to.
13 seconds on the shot clock for Buffalo. Go. Lima Maganda. Estrella fires. Estrella! 3! 41-29. Number 1. Number 33. Go. Lagatia. Number 22. Cuevas. Lock. Loose ball. Go. Rebound Balak. Good defense by Cuevas. Over to number 23. Number 1 face. Shoots. Block.
Galing!
Face. Number 23. Garcia. 3-second violation. Turnover.
Yung 8.
replies. Gives it to Bala. Bala makes a move, fakes, shoots, scores.
Galing nun.
43 to 29.
Ha?
La Garcia. Garcia. No, rebound Bala. Quickly to Estrella. Estrella scores. Muscle foul. On number 23 Garcia.
23 Garcia, third.
That is his third personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 1, Estrella. Back shot is good for the bonus free throw. 46 to 29, our official tally. Garcia. Number 03. Estrella. Estrella. No, behind the Garcia. Garcia all the way. No. Ramos with the board. Number 03. Number 23. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Huevas fires. No. Rebound Bala. Litas. Black ball. Last touch on green.
Kitang-kita, green ng nakalatch-touch.
Number 3. Gives it to La Garcia.
The champion yan. Ay, hindi naman.
Last 10 seconds on the shot clock. Naagaw. Bala. Litas. Moscoso. 2-on-1. Moscoso. Moscoso no. Moscoso. Wala pa rin. Last game is good for Moscoso.
Paris yung kuya.
Garcia. Spins. Garcia fires. No. Rebound number 03. Way off the mark. Thomas. Estrella gets the loose ball. Quickly to Bala. 3-on-2.
Double foul.
Bawal pa tayo. Yeah, bawal mag-sub.
Ulit talaga yun. Ay, yung mga sabi.
Kaya iba naman yan.
Napawi din yung kay Kyle eh. Yun yung papawis. Yun ba yung papawis? Oo, napawi din ako dyan.
Ah, decision, ref.
Double foul.
Technical. Thomas tsaka yung 22. Sige.
Double technical foul on number 27, Thomas, and number 22, Wallace. 4 ballers ball. Last 16 seconds on the shot clock for 4 ballers. Under 2 minutes.
Toy!
Omerga, 2 points. 15 to 29. Naagaw, Estrella. 2-1 break. Estrella, Moscoso. Moscoso scores. 52 to 29. La Garcia. Fires. Estrella with the board. Litas Moscoso. Moscoso to Bala. Nakuha ni Garcia. Quickly to number 1. Trinidad. Huevas. Sano. Lowens the layup. Thomas with the board. Naagaw ni Trinidad. But there is a foul on number 27.
Timeout. Crusaders.
Timeout Crusaders. Official score is 52 to 29 in favor of Quattro Ballers with a minute and 10 remaining in the second.
Third lead na tayo.
Back to to the ball game.
Pasok mo, tulog.
19 on the shot clock. 19 seconds to shoot.
Sa poli dito, walang pasok pag nagbuwan.
11. Lagartia, 3!
Maraming gawain.
52 to 30.
Ang daming film.
Under minute.
2 days ka video film. Gara.
15 to shoot. Alvarez fires. Rebound. Estrella. Moscoso. Moscoso. Thomas.
Oy, 14.
But there is a foul on number 4, Moscoso. Moscoso, that is his first personal foul, warning for penalty. Lagartia, eye to eye with Mr. Moscoso. Gives it to Garcia. Naago ni Moscoso. 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 To Merga. Shoots. Scores. That's 13 seconds. Lagartia stops. Lagartia fires. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. End of the first half. Official score is 54 to 32 in favor of Cuatro Bowlers.
Sa violet na kayo siya.
Ha?
Sa violet.
Hmm. Koy.
Kami pinuyan ng pinuyan ng passport. Ayan. Bilis, sakto yung rating nyo. Yun. Kami.
Alam na rin ito.
Bilis.
Game. Third quarter pa lang.
Back to the ball game. Start of our third quarter. Jers. Alicante. No, rebound in. Naago number 33. Good anticipation. Basket for number 33. 54 to 34. Altamarino. To shoot. Bala. Anticipated pass. Turnover. Altamarino. Volante. Over to Bala. Black ball. Last touch on Green. Jers. Alicante. Goes up. Lino Escobar. Bola. Alo. Wala pa rin. Alicante. Wala. Escobar protects the basketball. Gives it to Bala. 14 to shoot. Altamarino. Volante. Turnover.
Bola ito.
Pagkahangis niya, kilala na ka sa
Jones.
Hindi, gabi yung wax.
Alicante. Nakagawa ni Volante. Bala. Bala. All the way. 56-34. Number 33, Alon. Almas. Here's Balang. Balang is gone. 58-34. Agaw Balang. Volante. Go. Alon. 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 Ian Olivar. Pass it on. Volante.
Time out.
Time out, Team Crusaders. Official score is 60-34, with 6 minutes and 59 remaining in the third, in favor of Quattro Bowlers. Back to the ball game. Number 33, yes sir! There's a foul. Number 33, that is his first personal foul, likewise the first team foul. Official tally is 60-39. 16-3. Escobar. Escobar. Kailangan. Balang. Balang score.
Kasi mo yung damit, boss?
Ha? Hindi ko alam.
Rico Alicante. Alicante. Volante.
Second.
But there's a foul on number 33. That is a back-to-back foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bala. Same ball with 7 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds to shoot. Volante, padre. Rebound Alon. Rico Alicante. Alicante loses the handle. Turnover.
Good, di kasi.
Altamarino. Good play. Back shot. Same ball with 4 seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds. 14, sorry. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Altamarino. Nakuha ni number 33. Turns. Number 33. Shoots. Basket for the foul. Foul on number 3. Altamarino.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw, award is number 33.
Uy, ayaw mapapindot ba?
Ganda, picture.
Ayaw mo mapapindot? Wait lang. Ayaw mapapindot eh.
Basket is good.
Lang, ayaw mapapindot ka eh.
Maraya mo na.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
Altamarino, Volante. Escobar, 50 to shoot.
Stop.
Substitution.
foul dito, 3 lang. Ay, 2 lang. Agad, tapos isa sa kabila. Isa lang ang foul dito.
Number 3. High pass, turnover.
Shift mo. Yan, ano yun.
Naaga, number 23. Lays up. Yes, sir. 62 to 40. Or 42. Estrella from behind. Estrella. Fire. In and out. Same ball. With 14 on the shot clock.
Warning.
Warning, number 25 for delaying the game. Estrella, Volante, 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Oh!
4 seconds on the shot clock.
Bigay na!
4 to shoot. And there is a foul on number 29. That is his second personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 5, Ilana. Back is open for Ilana.
Gusto niya inaangat siya eh. Dito eh.
2 for 2 for Ilana.
Uy! Di mapindi. Nagpipindot! Dalag!
Volante! Volante! Alicante! Alicante is locked.
Utang nila sa iyo, boy.
Ayan na.
Ref, time out!
Ref, time out! Walang basa yun.
Time out.
Time out! Team $1. Official score. Ano score natin?
67.
67 to 45.
Galawin mo dyan.
2 minutes and 40 remaining in the third.
Tatay mo yung passer. Wait na kayo din.
Teka lang. Ginagawa ng paraan, pare. Teka lang ha. Kasi naglolo ko kasi yung lakayan eh, ha. Seven lang ito. 66.
Official score is 67-45.
Okay na!
15 to shoot.
Ito yung galaw yun, no? Ako na.
There's a foul on number 1, Estrella. Penalty. Oh, for warning for penalty.
Penalty na.
Apat pa lang, apat! Apat pa lang.
Penalty na,
Apat
penalty
pa
na.
lang. Excited ka.
Alicante. Same ball. With 10 seconds on the shot clock. Alon. Basket is good for Alon.
Sila sa goal lang.
Oferta. Lima Milaga. Alon. Alon. Milaga. Wala pa rin. Estrella. Volante. Volante is gone. 2 points. 69 to 47. After 2 minutes. Final scores 69-49. Number 1 is Omerta Escobar. Black ball. Alicante. Number 33. Alicante. Ace. Nakakasako. Escobar. Omerga. 3-on-3 break. Omerga. Basket is good. Plus a foul. Foul on number 5, Ilagan.
Ilagan. Second.
That is his second personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Naglaban yung drink sa
To bonus free throw for Omerga.
Alis mo big mo na yun.
Cannot complete the 3-point play. Offensive board. Naagan number 12. Number 33. Way no. Same basketball with 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Ilagan. Back pass. Volante. Wrap around. Estrella. 2 points. 73-49. Alicante. Alicante. There's a foul.
29 Ian. Penalty.
Foul on number 29.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Ian. Third.
Number 29, that is his third personal foul. 2 free throws for Alicante. Too much muscle behind.
Basket.
Good on the second for Alicante, 1 out of 2. 73-50. Last 17 seconds remaining. Australia. Omerta. Escobar. Traveling violation. Pump dancing with the wrong song as Escobar. Turnover. Last 12.5 seconds remaining in the third. Alicante. Alicante. Relax. End of the third quarter. Official score 73-50 in favor of Cuatro Ballers.
Mga bola natin.
Ayun, sa kanina. Yan lang sa loob. Tugtog sa ano, sa banana. Walang bola doon.
Dim.
Back to the ball game. Start of our fourth and final quarter between Team Crusaders and Cuatro Ballers. Here's Antonino to start the fourth. Rebound Trinidad. Aniceto. Aniceto dito. Number 23. Lagartia. Fires. Malakas. Rebound Aniceto. Nuevas. No. Rebound ng Camarino. Bala. Volante. At Moscoso, wrong to shoot. At Tamarino, 10 to shoot. Bala. Balang low. Wala pa rin. 75 to 50. 25-point lead. Garcia fires. Garcia, three! 75 to 53. Altamarino. Stay ball with 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Volante. No good. But there's a foul.
Volante, first.
On number 7, Volante, only his first personal foul, first team foul. Garcia. Behind with Volante. Garcia. Aniceto. 3 seconds to key. Turnover. 75 to 53, our official tally. Here is Volante. Altamarino. Volante. Para. But there is a pushing foul on number 22, Cuevas. Only his first personal foul, first team foul.
Second team po naman siya.
Omerta. Moscoso. Aniceto Bubor. Garcia. Lagatin saves the ball. Fires. Long. Save. Biglan. Aniceto. Put back. 2 points for Aniceto. 75 to 55. Altamarino. Volante. Omerta lane. Omerta scores. 77 to 55. Garcia, Bilbao. Aniceto pulls up. No. Altamarino. Bata pa yan eh. Altamarino.
Sub.
Substitution.
Di ba 70 daw?
Hindi ko alam, ikaw nang date lang ako eh.
77 lang.
75 ka volume eh.
75.
Volante. Estrella. Omerta, 10 to shoot. Volante. Omerta, 5 to shoot. Estrella, 3! 80 to 55. Garcia pulls up. Estrella slowly bringing down the basketball. Omerta. No. Rebound Volante. Yori Volante, 2 points. 82-55. Nagawa pa sa likod. Volante. Wow! Basket. Timeout, Team Crusaders. Official score is 84 to 55 in favor of Quattro Ballers. With 5 minutes and 35 remaining in the fourth and final quarter.
Sila mo half step.
One. Isang step tapos dalawa.
Tingnan mo same.
Sige na. Hayaan mo na yung Sel. Hayaan mo na.
Back to the ballgame.
Pangalawang beses na ginawa yun, nagpapumasa siya, pinasa niya yung...
Pinasa yung pangalawa. Behind the back yun. Behind the back na yung babalik nila yung sa half step.
Number 18 fires. Bigyan mo sila. Wicked Altamarino. Altamarino. Black ball. Number 33. Malakas. Iwan Estrella. The defense measures. Tapping the ball out. 20 seconds on the shot clock. 20 to shoot. Volante. Lay. Go. Altamarino, Volante, Escobar, Sailale, Bala, 2 points. 26 Escobar, 2 points for Volante, Bala. 2 points for number 3. 88 to 59. 4 remaining to play. Altamarino, wide range in the top. Escobar, James, Volante, nahabol ni Alon, nahabol ni Volante, Volante, Altamarino, scores! Assist ni Volante, 2 points, Altamarino. Number 18, Ilaga, last result, 7 assist ni number 18. Balang to Altamarino. Balang. Agaw, number 23, 1 on 2. Basket shot, number 23. 19 to 63. Turnover. Inbound violation. Alon, fire from the Rainbow Country. Rebound Ilaga, Ilaga put up his straight. Alta, Ilaga, nakakawang sa likod, Ilaga. Altamarino, Escobar, Escobar. 3 seconds in the key, turnover. Number 18, no, rebound Alon. Wala pa rin. Alon, second serve. Basket is good. 90 to 67. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Black ball. Number 33 is Chris. Estrella, Volante. Volante, Agawan. Sa ilalim, nakuha ni Bala. Tapos steal. Repass Escobar. Escobar fakes, Escobar no. Rebound number 18. Black ball, same ball. 21 to shoot. 21 seconds on the shot clock. Ilaga. Alon. On number 3, Altamarino. That is his 3rd personal foul, 2nd team foul. Alon. Ilaga number 2. 19 to 67.
Ayaw, kaya katapos na siya. Ito na lang si Pag.
Volante. Cinco. 18 on the shot clock.
Sayang. So, dapat ginawa nila third quarter eh. Sinipagan nila eh. Kaya na, uli na.
Estrella. Atamarino. Atamarino. Walang foul. Same ball. Step to go to baseline. 5 seconds to shoot. Yagan, quickly to number 33. Jones, 2 points. Last 48 seconds remaining in the game. Volante, Estrella. Balang tries to dribble. Follow number 5, Ilagan.
Third.
That is his third personal foul, second team foul. Steal by number 33. Jerks. 2 points. Estrella, last 7 seconds. Volante.
Nice one, good game.
And of the ball game, official tally is 90-73, and your winner is Matrot Ballers.
Nice one, yan. Si Balang. Best player.
Our best player of the ball game goes to number